Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today I have another simple and amazing tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to simply block ads in YouTube. So if this is something that you're interested in, please stick around for the rest of the video. But before we get started, please leave a like and a comment, and if you're new, please subscribe. So the first thing I'm going to do is to launch YouTube, after which I'm going to search for a video with an ad in it just to show you guys, and then I'm going to show you what you would need to do after to block any future ads from popping up. So as you can see, there is an ad playing in the video. So what you'd need to do next is to close out of the YouTube app and go to Play Store and download this app called BeePass VPN. So what BeePass VPN does is that it blocks ads from any website, YouTube included. So you simply need to go and download that app. And I have another video on how you would go about setting it up. So I'll link that down in the description. I've just connected BeePass and I'm going back into YouTube to show you guys that there won't be any ads on any video. So that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please share, and if you're new, please subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.